Hey everyone, welcome back to Anime Arena. Today we will talk about everything you need to know before watching Kimetsu no Yaiba's upcoming movie. The Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba anime will adapt the manga's Infinite Train arc into a film. Here's everything you need to know about the series so far. Based on Koyoharu Gotoge's manga of the same name that's been published in Weekly Shonen Jump since 2016. The Demon Slayer anime enthralled viewer when it debuted in April 2019. Following the adventures of Tanjiro Kamado in a world filled with demons. There's a lot to Demon Slayer and its world, which draws from Japanese culture in the Taisho era. Thanks in large part to the series' success. There's a movie set for release later this year, which will cover the series' next arc, titled Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba the Movie, Mugen Train. Demon Slayer Season 1 Quick Recap. Season 1 opens with Tanjiro selling charcoal in a nearby village. When he returns, he finds his family home has been attacked by demons for unknown reasons. The only survivor is his sister, Nezuko, who herself is now a demon. As Tanjiro rushes to bring Nezuko to a doctor, they encounter Giyu Tomoika, a demon slayer. Impressed by Tanjiro's resolve and Nezuko's desire to protect her brother, which is highly unusual for a demon, he refers the boy to Urokodaki, a retired demon slayer. Tanjiro's new master teaches him water breathing, which greatly enhances his ability with a sword and gives him the power to pass the final selection. A sort of test that involves surviving one night on a demon-infested mountain and join the Demon Slayer Corps. After passing the final selection, Tanjiro is given a black sword, which is something of an omen of bad luck. Despite knowing it may cause trouble, Tanjiro travels with Nezuko in a box on his back. Over the course of his missions, Tanjiro encounters Muzan Kibutsuji, the leader of the demons. Shortly after, he meets Tamayo and Yushiro, who are demons also on the side of good. Tamayo believes she can reverse the demonization process, but doing so will require gathering blood from the 12 Kazuki, who are Muzan's most powerful demon servants. Tanjiro shows a sort of preternatural luck for encountering the 12 Kazuki and takes down a few. Along the way, he meets Zenitsu Agatsuma, a coward who, while sleeping, is able to tap into a powerful thunder breathing, and Inosuke Hashibira, a berserker with beast breathing. The group eventually takes on the Spider family at Mount Natagumo. They're nearly killed by the powerful family and its leader, Rui, one of the 12 Kazuki. Initially, Rui easily beats Tanjiro in battle and toys with the boy. Eventually, Tanjiro's sword is broken, and all seems lost. However, a memory of Tanjiro's mysterious father, Tenjuro, using the Hinokami Kagoda, dance of the fire god, which is a type of fire dance that gives the boy access to incredible fiery powers. Tanjiro uses this ability to nearly defeat Rui, but the powerful demon survives. Exhausted, all seems lost for Tanjiro. However, Giyu appears and saves him at the last moment. Giyu isn't the only higher-ranked demon slayer who arrives. The two are joined by Shinobu Kocho, who uses insect breathing. Shinobu hates all demons and attempts to kill Nezuko and arrest Tanjiro. Giyu interferes and gives Tanjiro a chance to escape. He's unsuccessful, though, as Kanao Suyuri, another powerful demon slayer and one of the people with whom he passed the final selection, takes him down. Tanjiro and his allies are then brought to the Butterfly Mansion, which serves as the Demon Slayer headquarters. At the Butterfly Mansion, Tanjiro is introduced to the 9 Hashira pillars, who are the strongest member of the Demon Slayer Corps. They put Tanjiro on trial and seem determined to have him executed. However, the master, who leads the Demon Slayer Corps, intervenes and allows Tanjiro to live. From there, Tanjiro, Zenitsu and Inosuke continue training, getting a major power-up in the process. Tanjiro also learns that Shinobu hates demons so much because her older sister was killed by them. During that same conversation, Shinobu suggests Tanjiro talk with Rengoku when he returns from his latest mission. As his status as the Flame Hashira may give him insight into the Hinogami Kagoda. At the same time as this recovery is taking place, Kibutsuji kills the remaining 12 Kazuki, save for Enmu. Tanjiro, Nezuko, Zenitsu and Inosuke are then dispatched on their next mission. And Season 1 ends with them boarding the same train as Rengoku and Enmu. What is the Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba movie about? Mugen Train is an adaptation of the Infinite Train arc from the manga, and will likely be localized as such whenever the movie makes its English language debut. The synopsis for the movie explains Tanjiro, Zenitsu, Nezuko and Inosuke will assist Rengoku in his investigation of disappearance occurring on the titular train. However, at the behest of Kibutsuji, Enmu has laid a trap for them and intends to take them out. After a teaser at the end of Season 1 announced the movie's existence, a short trailer for Mugen Train was released in November 2019, teasing the basic premise of the story. A new trailer was then released in early April, revealing more details about the movie. According to the trailer, 40 people have disappeared on the train, and several other Demon Slayers died investigating the mystery. How and where to watch the Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba movie. Mugen Train is scheduled for release theatrically on October 16, 2020, in Japan. And there's no indication at this time the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic might result in a delay. In terms of a Western release, there's no announced date yet for either the English sub or dub. However, if Mugen Train follows the pattern of the series' debut, Western audiences could be able to watch the movie sooner rather than later. Before Demon Slayer premiered, the initial 5 episodes were released theatrically in Japan. 2 days later, distributor Aniplex showed the episodes in the United States. As such, it's possible Mugen Train could make its way to the West sooner rather than later, or even constitute the first batch of Season 2 episodes when that releases. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop a like and a comment if you have any request. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.